Squishy haul. So I waited for 2 hours to get this dumpling, and then I got this dumpling at some like pharmacy thing, and I got the butter. So let's open the butter first. Okay, let's open it. I'm obsessed. I love this butter. Doesn't smell like butter, but looks good like butter. I love it. Next, the dumplings. Okay, I'm gonna look away. 2, 1, open. Oh, I got the white one! The texture feels so weird. That texture, that is so weird. But I love it. Okay, next dumpling. Okay, open the dumpling. Okay, 3, 2. Okay. Oh, I got like the purple pink. It's so cute. And this is all the squishies I got. Bye, guys.